Alright everybody, I know it's been a while since I posted a video on YouTube, but yeah, this is a special occasion, so I'm over here at my buddy's shop, Trilogy Performance. For those that know who he is, he's got a 700 plus horsepower KAT, ran 9s in the quarter. That's the blue thing right there, the Warlord. But the whole point of this video today is he ordered a dyno from DynoJet, and it is being delivered here very soon. It's going to be going right here. It's going to be above ground dyno. But yeah, the driver for the truck already called. He is about 5 minutes out, he said. So yeah, I'm gonna do some recording of that, unloading and all that good stuff, and post that up tonight, possibly, or tomorrow, whatever. But yeah, this is gonna be a big deal. This is yeah, everybody's excited. The dyno is definitely something that everybody's been waiting for. Him, me, because I know it's been a while, but I am now running about 26 psi, probably 570, 580 at the wheels. I will find out here soon. That's another KAT build that he's going to be doing here soon, a rebuild. So yeah, I'm going to pause it here, and when the driver comes and we start unloading, I'll do some more recording, so stay tuned. Here it is, guys. Buckle up for safety, sir. Good job. Yeah, where's your heart at? I'm surprised you're not recording this for Instagram. I'm doing a YouTube video. I told you that. You even said that. I mean, I can, but this is...
Right away. Let's see if you can pick it up. Let me go down with the lift kit with you. I'll go today. You can't get down. Alright, I'll go ahead first. Take a picture of that. What I'm gonna do is drag it out of the
I'd say the dyno's a little heavy. You're going on height. Just go very slow.
Oh yeah, watch out for the speed.
Yeah, every time you press the brake, you're gonna go down. So. It's a dyno. You know, for measuring cars' horsepower level and stuff.
Yeah, you know you do.
All right, more to come.
This shit is gonna be Google busy. I give you 6 months. 10 minutes. And by the end of the
Yeah, that's a big boy. 4,500 pounds. Damn, I wish I had my other setup. I have a thing that I use for time lapse. Dude, that'd be so awesome, but it's gonna take forever. So.
This is definitely when the performance of do not top load. The space apart is right.
There's one right there.
Yeah, but definitely. That's it.
Is that all of them? That's all of them. First peek. No, we can put it on your YouTube also. That's not a big deal.
Just be very, very careful so you don't get splintered. Start here, go between.
Alright, I'm gonna stop the video and go to widescreen mode.
Yeah, 524, and we ordered it 226. 26 of February, so almost 90 days, 88 days. Yep. Oh, damage. That's it. So heavy weapon that is that? That's it. This go. This go. More this go. But it's okay, we don't need in-house. The same with all this stuff. This one off the house like this. We're not done one. Very good. This is actually the third one. day where we can at least kind of say, you know.
Yeah, I ain't no trouble. You know, we did make no photo, right? I make an anything one. This is how I'm looking at you.
Yeah, dude, wow, God. I mean, when cars are on the dyno, we're not really going to hear that.
I just want to make sure it doesn't lock up on us. That's the main point. As I said, I already know the easiest way is when we have all of that.
Much better. That fan?
I do something with that.
Yeah, yeah. You might have to tap it with the hammer. There you go, yeah. So yeah, since it's gonna take a little while to undo stuff, I'm gonna stop for right now and then come back. You might have to put your forks up.
Oh yeah, one is down now.
Alright, so this is where we're at so far. Look at this beautiful thing. It's so pretty. I don't even want to get into how much this thing costs. Yeah, it's basically going to be going right here. So the idea is the car will pull up on here and back up straight onto where the rollers will be. Obviously we're going to be taking these off. That way it doesn't block the car, but yep. Beautiful. Yeah, we're a little behind still, but it's not like we're fucking opening up something simple. Very expensive mechan. coffee can. Oh my god, very expensive piece of machinery. That's what I was trying to say. And of course, half the box was screwed together, so that was quick getting this side off. But then when we came to the other sides, there's a hell of a lot of nails. A lot. So he's over there fighting out right now. So yeah, I'm recording this video for my YouTube, but I'm gonna be posting it up. I'm gonna be letting Troy post it up on his YouTube also. That way he has it for his records as well.
I guess that's what I'm saying.
I know I've been recording a lot, but I mean, you can't help but to admire such a marvelous piece of engineering here. Just knowing that this thing can measure up to 2,000 horsepower, right? This one's a 2,000 horsepower dyno. 200 mile an hour, 2,000 horsepower is what this one is capable of reading up to. So that means we're gonna send it on the dyno.
This is where the lowest locking point is. We can only the jeeps from now.
Alright, well this is going to be the end of the video right here. This is where we're at. We got some modifications to do to the lift because its lowest stop point is higher than what we needed. So we're going to have to have some custom plates cut out for a lower stop point. Got to do some wiring, securing the dyno down to the concrete. You know, obviously got to do a good amount of work, but yeah, hopefully in the next couple days she'll be ready to go. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'm gonna try to do more videos, but you know how it is. Life gets to you and you just forget to record. See ya.